So there's two connections right here, 1 and 2. Looks like there's a couple lines that run along it. And then up here, 1, 2, 3. So pretty simple. So those are on there pretty tight. We're gonna have to use something else. I got my breaker bar. Go ahead and give this a try, see if it works. Alright, there we go. And then for this line back here, looks like it's a 14. I don't know if this is gonna do it. I'm actually gonna go with this guy. So 14. Now we gotta take these 3 out. So we got our 12. As you can see, it dropped down. So let's see if we can pull this out. Like this is the left. Let's get it open. Let's check out the difference. Yeah, this is gonna be nice. So it's pretty much just as easy to put on as it was to take off. Just, make sure these are really, really, really tight. That's on there. It wasn't that difficult. You just kind of got to maneuver the whole assembly around a little bit. On the top side, I connected this first. I used the old bolts to just hold it in place because these guys are locking, so you're not going to be able to hand tighten them or hand thread them on there. So these I just put on there temporarily. Now I'm going to take them off one at a time, and then I'm going to torque these guys down. Just like that. We'll do each one. And the nice thing about these locking nuts is you just got to get them nice and tight. You don't got to torque them down to a certain spec. I'm sure there's some spec for these ones, but just get them really, really tight. Like really tight. Make sure you're using your breaker bar. And yeah. So this side's done. Now we're going to do the other side. We'll go ahead and just time lapse this side. And yeah, just enjoy.